In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions in Zoho Books. This is a crucial step in managing financial data that ensures the integrity of your records by preventing unauthorized edits to past transactions. Let's dive into the process to see how it's done. First, we need to log into Zoho Books. Open up your Chrome browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're on the homepage, simply enter your credentials to access your account. If you have not bookmarked the page, it might be a good idea to do so for easy access in the future, especially if you work frequently with Zoho Books. With that out of the way, let's navigate to the main part of our task. Once you're logged into your dashboard, locate the Settings option. You'll usually find it in the lower left corner of your screen. It's a small gear icon, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on it to open up a variety of configuration options where you control the finer aspects of your Zoho Books account. Next, you're going to click on Preferences. In the list that appears after selecting Settings, Preferences is your gateway to customizing how Zoho Books operates for you. When you open Preferences, you'll see a whole host of categories you can fiddle with, but for today's task, we're focusing on Lock Period. Once you're in the Lock Period section, you now have the power to define specific date ranges or periods that you wish to lock. This feature is particularly useful if you need to ensure financial data from a completed quarter or fiscal year remains unchanged. Carefully select the start and end dates for the period you wish to lock. Make sure that you've reviewed all transactions for these dates because once locked, you won't be able to make any edits without unlocking them first. After you've defined your date range, the next step is to enable transaction locking. You'll find a toggle button or checkbox to activate this feature. Enabling this will block any attempts to alter transactions for the selected period. This step is key in maintaining an accurate and reliable audit trail for your financial records. Once you have everything set to your liking, press Save to apply these settings. It's very important not to skip saving after making changes, as this ensures your new settings take effect. Finally, make it a point to communicate these policies to your team. Let them know about the newly locked periods, emphasizing the importance of maintaining data integrity and why certain periods cannot be altered. This communication helps avoid any potential confusion or errors down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully locked transactions in Zoho Books, safeguarding your financial data and ensuring seamless operations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.